In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add Mailerlite embedded form. To begin, log into your Mailerlite account. Once you are on the main dashboard, look for the section in the top navigation called Forms. This is where Mailerlite keeps all of the tools for creating sign-up forms, whether they are pop-ups, landing pages, or embedded forms that sit directly on a website page. Inside the Forms area, select Embedded Forms. This option is specifically for forms that you can place within the content of a page, like a home page, a sidebar, or the bottom of a blog post. After you click Embedded Forms, choose Create. This starts a new form from scratch and opens the setup process. Next, you will name your form. Use a clear name that helps you recognize where it will be used, such as the page or section it will appear on. Right after naming it, you will choose the subscriber group where new signups will be saved. This is important because it controls how subscribers are organized inside your account. Choose the group that matches the audience for this form. For example, if it is your main newsletter sign-up, select your primary list or general subscriber group. Once that is set, you will move into the form editor to design the form. Here, customize the look and feel so it matches your brand. Adjust colors and fonts so the form blends nicely with your website design. Then review the fields that visitors will fill out. Keep the form simple and focused, since fewer fields often leads to more signups. Make sure the labels are clear and the call to action text communicates what someone is signing up for. When you are satisfied with the design, click Next or Save depending on what you see in the editor. This will take you to the Success page and finishing options. The Success page is what people see after they submit the form, so confirm it is clear and professional. At this point, your embedded form setup is complete and ready for the final publishing process on your site. And that is all there is to it.